So it's a little bit after 4:30 and we are packing to go to the beach. Down to the car because I forgot a block, and you know you can't really charge your phone without a block. So kids out here throwing bombs. We have driven probably 7 or 8 hours this morning. Left at about 5:30, 6 o'clock. Got here right around noon, maybe just a little bit after. But it's been a great day. We came here, we got in our hotel room. We got changed, went out to the beach, had a fun time just out there, taking some underwater photos. So be sure to go follow my Instagram account to see those. Some videos as well on that. Hopefully they're going to come out great. It's the first time I've ever used my underwater camera for this, so I'm hoping it works out. Well, for those of you that don't know, we're in Pensacola, me and my family. We are just vacationing, just having a great time, celebrating my parents' anniversary as well. First night in Pensacola, it's great, loving it. Cool breeze, the ocean was great, water was great. We got to see a bunch of cool birds, seagulls, pelicans, a lot of fun. I'm trying to be as quiet as I can, trying not to disturb anybody. It's close to 9 o'clock here. I was gonna go down to the restaurant and do the video there, but they're closing in about 10 minutes, so had to get this done, so I decided to just stay up here and do it. But so far we're having a great time. More videos to come. Right now I'm trying to upload some pictures of their save the date photos, and my computer's being as slow as molasses in the dead of winter. It's not loading, it's not wanting to import any of the pictures, it's taking forever. It probably took 5 minutes to import one photo. So I'm just out here trying to cool my head, trying to not get mad on my vacation, because you know what's worth being mad on vacation. Anyways, I'm also sorry for all the pictures that are, or all the videos that are done this way. I'm trying to remember to hold it this way, because videos should be widescreen instead of straight up and down. So I'm going to try to get better at that for you guys. I know that it makes the video a lot better, and makes it a lot more easier to handle as well, handheld or computer wise. You get more of the screen. So just be following the next couple of days. We're gonna have a couple of videos. Just our time here in Florida. We're just gonna have fun. We plan to go to Navarre Beach to the sea turtle sanctuary and hopefully get some good pictures of some sea turtles and maybe some videos. Just really gonna have a lot of fun. I'm really excited. This is a much needed vacation, and I'm just ready to get this week started. So guys, stay tuned. Always picture it. You know, whatever it is, whatever your dreams are, whatever you want to do, just picture it in your mind and go out and chase it. But we'll see y'all soon, and hopefully y'all enjoy the videos. Thanks, guys.